Good day, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is 64 degrees out here, very light wind. It's a beautiful day. We have partly cloudy, but we have sunshine too. This is hive number 108 East Fence. I made a couple of videos yesterday, but for some reason the sound didn't come out on any of them. So this is today. Today's the 23rd of November. The bees are coming in and out. We're going to check them and see how they're doing. We got the got a deep box here. We put the super back in the middle to see how they were going to do it. So we're going to go in here and see. Okay. Take our hive tool here. This is the hive tool I use. I use a J hook. Some people say they don't like it because they're dangerous. It's dangerous walking out of your house nowadays, so I don't really worry about that. Okay. No bees in the top. Very little to anything in the middle. Next box. Got little bees on the top there. We'll take this one off. The feeder we're taking off. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but what we're going to be doing is taking this top one off. We got a little discussion going on here and who belongs. Take this one off. Okay, don't look like there's a whole lot going on in there. We may start with the bottom first. We got another little. Come on, why don't y'all? I don't think there's much in this one. This is the honey super. Y'all know we haven't had a honey flow worth anything here lately. They don't have anything in here, so we can remove this box altogether. We'll just take it right now and stick it back there. And we'll check in the bottom, see what we got. Yep, I think we can go down to the 5-frame nuke. Empty frame, nothing's in it. Make sure y'all can see this. This one has nothing in it. Bottom looks okay. This here has a little honey. Little honey up here. Bottom still looks good. Dead roach. This one here has a little honey. Has a little honey and a couple of bees on it. Here they're festooning on, has a little honey on it. Put the sun to my back, or to my sun's over yonder. They're building their foundation on that, so we're not going to mess with them on that one. Haven't seen any pollen. We have a white queen and honey and nectar on that one. White queen is, she was on there, she's hiding again. Yep, there was a white queen in there though. I don't see any eggs. There's the white queen again. Down here. We'll put her back in the house. We may put her in a double deep. Put her in the top. We have brood on this one. We have brood on both sides. Okay, we're going to be putting these in nukes. This one has some honey on it. Okay. What we're going to do here now is we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have frames. Let's find us a nuke. Okay, we're back to what we're going to do is we're going to take this frame and this frame. The queen is over here with her brood, and we may just leave her over there with her brood. We're going to put that one here. She's the white queen, she's over here. Here's got some sugar. This one here's got room for the queen to lay in. Push her back over here. We're going to take this one that she can lay in. She might not like that one, so we won't put that one there. We're going to take these, which is the super, nothing in them, put it there, and we're going to be looking at this one over here now. Okay, see what we got. Nothing on that one that's any good. This here is mostly drone frame, so we'll use it for honey frame next year. This one, nothing on it. Okay, this one's a pretty good frame for the queen. You don't have to build it out. Let's move some of these things over. Okay, that's a pretty good one. So we're going to put it right here. Remember, this is an 8 frame. It's got more room that I can push down without hurting anything. We'll put that there, put that there, put that there, that there, and leave that there. Okay, we're going to push all these back together, and we may come back in a couple of weeks and change them all around. No bugs. Take your little feeder ring right here, put it there. Now this is one, some people don't like me to keep talking about this, but I am anyway. This is one of the feeder rings that I got to this wire, and I've got them built up on the edge, an inch and a half all the way around. No real reason for doing that other than I just wanted to try it this time. Got that there. It's crooked, so what we're going to do is we're going to staple it down. So it's a little bit flatter. Okay. Put our paper down. Spray it with sugar water. Now, I use paper towels tore in half. Some people use wax paper, but me personally, I don't think that the bees can eat through the wax paper and get rid of it as quick as they can the there we go. Get rid of the wax paper as quick as they can this wax paper. I mean this paper towels, because it's thinner, it's wetter, it will collect the moisture where wax paper won't. Some people use this newspaper. I don't, because I don't like ink in my I personally wouldn't want to be chewing on ink. We're going to do that. That's that one. We're going to spray it down here with a little bit more sugar water. These are already up here. That's enough food there to last me for a while. Now we could have put some liquid food in there too, because of the way the weather is right now. We had 64 degrees. I don't know what it is right now. Beautiful day. But that's them, people. Hope y'all enjoyed that. We'll come back later, probably in a week, 2 weeks, and put them in a double deep nuke before it gets too cold. They're down at the bottom little entrance here now and having a discussion with some other bees, I think. Little discussion, not much. Well, y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Let us know if you want to see something else or if you got a question. And we'll try to answer it. Well, we'll answer it one way or the other. If I don't know what it is, I'll check out and find out what the answer is. Y'all have a great day. You take care of yourselves. Be careful out there. And we'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.